we're going to cover beginner, intermediate, and advanced ways of doing machine learning. It's a browser-based tool that lets you build image or audio classifiers in just a couple of minutes. And what's really great about it is that you can capture training data directly from your webcam or microphone right away. You can see here we're uploading our flower images and training a brand new model right in the browser. And once the model is trained, we can make predictions right in the browser to test it out. Also, by the end of this, we'll have a full machine learning model that we can export for AutoML in Vertex AI. It's a machine learning tool for developers on Google Cloud that allows you to train custom enterprise-grade models based on your own data. You can use it to build models to predict on your images, video, text, or even tabular data. And because it's part of Vertex AI, you can easily deploy your models for large-scale batch and real-time predictions. The pre-trained ML APIs, these are powerful pre-trained models that allow you to embed machine learning capabilities directly into your applications with just a single API call. You can see here how they're great at common tasks like sentiment analysis in text, object and person detection in video, and even some really cool things like landmark detection in photos. Generative AI Studio. Let's say I have some blog content around healthy granola bars, and I want to generate a multimedia marketing campaign around this. Using just the blog content, I can write a prompt, and Generative AI Studio will generate a blog title, headline, and Instagram caption with hashtags for a marketing campaign. And there you have a blog headline, a blog post, and an Instagram content for our campaign. No ML expertise required, and you can also view the API code to use Generative AI Studio programmatically. We can also use Vertex's generative vision AI capabilities. With our image generation model, I can use the simple text prompts to generate images that go along with my marketing campaign. You can see here a prompt being used to generate multiple images of a granola bar on a kitchen table, and that we can then use these images in our marketing campaign.
Vertex AI Model Garden. From Model Garden, you can kick off a variety of workflows, including using the model directly as an API, tuning the model in Generative AI Studio, or deploying the model directly to a data science notebook in Vertex AI. With RLHF, you can tune your models to learn directly from positive or negative feedback and use that to optimize the performance of your models. Be on the lookout for more news about this exciting capability later this year. For BigQuery ML. So in this example, you can create a classification model in SQL with a create model statement, then make predictions using an ml.predict query. You can even use BigQuery ML directly on your unstructured data via an exciting new capability called BigQuery ML Inference Engine. So say you have unstructured data like image files stored in Google Cloud Storage, but your primary workflow is all through BigQuery. So now, using BigQuery ML Inference Engine, you can run inference directly on data stored in cloud storage through BigQuery. Your models could be imported TensorFlow models, XGBoost models, Onyx models, or even a custom Vertex AI endpoint that you have deployed. And if you don't have a model at hand, you can use the pre-trained ML APIs like the Vision, Natural Language, and Translate APIs. In seconds, you can create a Colab notebook and start using Python directly in the browser. You can import or install your favorite libraries, and you can even load notebooks or code that you found online, or check out some of the sample notebooks. You can also use Colab with Google Cloud, like reading data from BigQuery. Vertex AI Workbench. You can create and customize Jupyter Lab instances on Google Cloud. So here you can see some instances with just Python and others with TensorFlow or PyTorch pre-installed with GPUs attached. And as you open an instance, it's the familiar Jupyter Notebook interface. You can create new instances and customize things like the size of your machine and location and permissions. And it's got great integrations with the rest of Google Cloud because it's part of Google Cloud. Vertex AI Custom Training. You can bring your ML code and run it in a cloud with Vertex AI. You can keep track of your model experiments, use automated hyperparameter tuning, and leverage MLOps capabilities of Vertex AI, like orchestrating your model training and deployment workflows with Vertex AI pipelines. So imagine that I have a model that I've been training in a notebook environment for experimentation. And maybe once I'm closer to production, or if I have really heavy training workloads, then I might just train directly using Vertex AI custom training. So I containerize my code, then submit it to Vertex AI custom training to run it for me in a managed and repeatable way.
Vertex AI matching engine. It's our highly optimized vector database that stores and does fast lookups of embeddings. But what does this mean? Well, in this example, we have 2 million random images, and we want to search for the images that look the most similar to this yellow car. So matching engine will do an extremely fast lookup by finding the nearest embeddings to the embedding of this yellow car, and then it's going to return the results in milliseconds. Because it's embeddings, we can use a variety of data types like text, images, video, audio, or anything else that you can convert into embeddings. Vertex AI Matching Engine even supports real-time updates so that you can make new data immediately searchable without needing to re-index the entire database.